Hi, this is Priyanka from Mumbai. I am the student of USP Career Growth Course Batch 1. Here I am going to share some experiences about this course with you. First question rises that why I have decided to join this course. For me the answer was really very simple. It's an USP course. That is why I have decided to join. Why I am saying this because in 2012 I had attended another course of USP which brought lots of positive changes, lots of beautiful changes in my life. That is why I was eager for the upcoming courses of USP. And as UK sir declared this course, I wanted to grab the opportunity and I did it. Now talking about the course, it's a very wonderful, beautiful, transformative journey of yours. For me, it's very difficult now to explain this beautiful journey within few lines. But still, if I have to summarize, I will focus on 5 points. First, the uniqueness of the curriculum. Yes, the concepts introduced in this course are totally new, different and strange. I found strange when I learned the concept of EXSHAP, which covers your past, present, future, which covers all your areas of your life. I can rewrite my history now. Isn't it so strange? So these concepts are totally new, totally different, totally unique. And second point is what? You can apply all these concepts in your day-to-day life. The third point is the trainers. Yes, the trainers are so superb, expert, knowledgeable. They are the master of the concepts and they help you to find out the areas of your life where you have to work out. They support you to understand all these new concepts and to apply in your day-to-day life. They create such a comfortable atmosphere, such a comfortable zone to us that we can ask our queries freely, frankly. And all our queries and questions are answered, explained to us till our satisfaction. So the beauty of this course lies there also. Fourth point is the easy access of this class. Yes, it's online, easily available. And all the exercises, all the content, curriculum is given to our drive. So in future also, if I want to learn, if I want to go through these concepts again, I can read, I can again visit, I can see my drive and I can have the access of this course. Isn't it so nice? Yes, it is. And the last point, which is the major thing I found, is the cause. Yes, okay, sir designed this course and behind this course they have a very big, long, big motive, big purpose of humanity, well-being of humanity. Because if a person is happy or if a person having his own new version, he can change the society, he can transform the society, and whatever knowledge we are learning here is for the well-being of humanity, for the cause of humanity. So definitely sir, thank you for this beautiful course, such a wonderful experience, 31 days experience, and this is the journey which is started with this course and it's going on. It's not like that now it is ended. No, it's the start. So I will definitely recommend you, I will definitely tell you to attend this course, have the beauty of this course, enjoy the journey, find a new different version of yours, and along with you, your family, your society.